Breaking curse. Declaration. I declare I have been transformed from darkness to the kingdom of light, where I cannot be cursed. Colossians chapter 1, 13. That no weapon fashioned against my life shall ever prosper. Isaiah chapter 54 verses 17. I silence every evil tongue speaking against my life. Today, the blood of Jesus Christ. Psalms 109 verse 2. I reject the spirit of hindrance and declare in my life. First Thessalonians 2:18. I commended every unessential spirit. I am a new creation, and no curse shall harm me. Second Corinthians 5:17. Free from every spirit of fear.